SketchUp Lesson 3, Adding Worktop Textures, Waterfall Ends and Dimensions. Great, so you've got the hang of rendering and editing colors, well done. Now, I'll show you how to add color and texture to a worktop. You've already seen that in SketchUp there is a range of standard colors. There are also a selection of materials such as wood, tiles, landscaping materials and metals, etc. Concrete is a popular choice for a worktop finish, so in SketchUp we can paint our ceramic worktops with one of the included materials. In this case I'm going to select polished concrete from the asphalt and concrete folder and paint the top surface plus the ceramic edges or risers, using the rotate tool to get to the back of the worktop. You could also use concrete aggregate, or new polished concrete to replicate other suitable finishes. In a later lesson, we'll show you how to import the whole range of ceramic finishes and to use them to render the worktops and waterfall ends in a quite realistic way. Now, we'll add a waterfall end to our kitchen. First, using the wheel on your mouse, zoom in to the underside of the worktop. We're going to use the worktop itself to create a waterfall end by extruding it. Highlight the end. Then, using the extrude tool, touch the highlighted area and bring it out a little. Now go to your keyboard and just type in 50. You'll see the numbers appear in the field in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. You don't need to put a cursor in the field. Just hit return. This represents a 50 mm extrude and it will therefore increase the length of the work surface by 50 mm. So, now get a little closer to the underside of the work surface and delete any structural lines that you may see. Now we need to draw a line using the pencil tool from the back of the cabinet to the front edge of the work surface to create an extrudable area. Once that pencil line is in place, you can highlight that area you have just created. Taking the extrude tool, touch on the highlighted area and pull it down a short distance. At this point please type 965 on your keyboard and press return. That 965 will again appear in the field down in the left-hand corner of the screen. We use the 965 mm dimension as that is the standard height of a waterfall end. Well done, if you followed this you will have created a ceramic waterfall end. You'll probably want to render it now, just as you did with the worktop, making sure to paint all the visible surfaces. Finally, before you present your design to your client, it would be good to add some measurements. Take the measurement tool and click on each end of the worktop. And then the depth. You can illustrate the overall dimensions of the kitchen. From the File menu, select Export to create a 2D JPEG which you can send to your client. The next lesson will be about designing corner and U-shaped kitchens, also adding a breakfast bar. If you're happy with what you've learned in this video, please go to lesson 4, otherwise please start again.